Dahil sa'yo.
Take that one.
Can we have a box for this?
Yeah, I can.
Thank you.
Nice, nice. Maybe if I didn't stop working, I have an iPhone now.
They have iPhones in the Philippines.
They do, but it's so expensive. It's like 50,000 pesos.
Oh my
More than
God.
$1,000. With, and you have to sign up.
Sign
The service, yeah.
Oh.
The phone is not subsidized. The phone is not subsidized.
You want some mohati? Water?
You're okay?
It's not like here. You sign a 2-year contract
Sorry.
and you can get the phone for $199.
More coffee? Just this one.
So that's only like
And you want a box
10,000
set today?
pesos.
Are you finished with this here, or do you want to put it in here? Are you finished with this? Put it in there? There you go.
Thank you.
And then in the Philippines, you sign up for a 3-year contract and the phone is not free. The iPhone is not free. It's like 50,000 pesos because almost like $1,000 more. The only thing is like it's on installment.
This iPhone is not free either.
Yeah, but it's subsidized.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's like 600, you get it for 200. But the Philippines, no. You pay the full price.
They make their money back on the 2-year contract.
Yeah.
Here.
In the Philippines, you sign a contract, the phone is not free.
That's not free.
And it's not free because people cannot afford it. The only thing is you pay it on installment, the phone.